Relationships were never meant to be left to chance. Yet most people were never taught how relationships actually work, how patterns, emotional conditioning, and unconscious habits shape love over time. That's where the amazing Clarks come in. For over 2 decades, Anthony and Melanie Clark have helped couples and individuals build strong, conscious, lasting relationships through awareness, skills, and intentional practice. Informed not only by their coaching work, but by a 34-year partnership, they continue to train, refine, and grow. Relationships don't struggle because people don't care. They struggle because love alone isn't enough without training. Modern relationships require modern tools. The amazing Clarks' approach is simple. They don't focus on blame. They don't create dependency. They help people understand their patterns and train their relationship intentionally. Relationships aren't mysterious. They're trainable. Everything they offer works as a system: courses, ongoing training, clarity tools, and coaching when support is needed. Welcome to the amazing Clarks.
I've had a lot of coaching and a lot of different angles of self-help, and like from therapy to counseling to life coaches, and I've liked their approaches. They're all very different approaches, and some work better for me, some work better for him. But I would say the amazing Clarks work the best for me, and I think they will for a lot of people because it's so real, and there's no pretense, and it's all love, and it's like, it's a different experience than I've had with other life coaches. So I really like them. And then it's also, I get to see it pan out. Like, they're a happy couple, and I'm taking advice from them as opposed to a single counselor therapist who's telling me how to be a better wife. You know, I get to see their transformation, and I think it's just really real, really loving. It's perfect. Super connected.
Yeah, I agree. I would. It's like the amazing Clarks are taking us on this journey, and I would have never guessed that in this short amount of time, we would have had so many breakthroughs and powerful insights and growth. And now it's just obviously, it's always a matter of taking this now and putting it in our lives over time, practicing and keeping working on these things. But I'm seeing a change, a real change right now. It's already happening, and it's almost if you've seen the movie Inception, it's almost like they got in there and they planted a couple ideas that are now growing in spite of us, if that makes sense. So like, we're going through our day, and I'm noticing just little changes in the way we deal with each other already that have stayed. And
we just talked about this the other day, which is when this is over, we're going to use them for the rest of our life.
Oh, they have to be our coach for